But 5G, NFC and drop resistance, as well as water and dust resistance and 33 watts of fast charging, the DOOGEE V10 offers everything you could need. The performance is pretty good. However, it remains to be seen how much gaming this smartphone is actually capable of. The whole thing is powered by the quite speedy mid-range MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, which is manufactured in 7nm and supports 5G in addition to NFC. The 8500 mAh battery can be charged quite quickly with 33 watts. Some of us certainly need robust phones. Especially those who are clumsy or work in areas where a smartphone simply has to withstand a bit more will certainly not be averse to the whole thing. Thanks to water and dust resistance, you hardly have to worry on a construction site. The MIL STG810G IP69K certification ensures the DOOGEE V10 survival in larger temperature fluctuations as well as pressure and humidity. The DOOGEE V10 relies on a 6.393 IPS display in 19:9 format with a resolution of 2300 x 1080 pixels. Optically, a drop notch has once again been chosen. The edges of the display turn out quite thick, but they are a bit more protected than conventional phones with the surrounding rubber of the casing. But hey, an RGB illumination has actually made it onto the back. That's usually found more in the real gaming smartphone segment. The performance is provided by a MediaTek Helio Dimensity 700 octa-core processor with 2.2 GHz, which brings the DOOGEE V10 to an AnTuTu score of 340,000. Thus, we are in the good mid-range field and do not have to hide in terms of performance.